In this demo, we're having K-Dense BYOK review a recently released Nature publication. For the purposes of this video, I'm showing this session at 2x speed, but the actual runtime was about 10 minutes and 30 seconds. I'm going to start with one of the pre-built workflows in the platform. There are currently over 300 of these workflows that cover a wide range of research goals. I uploaded the paper directly into the platform today. If you were writing your own prompt, you could also give it a link, the DOI number, or just ask to find the paper by title and author in the chat. Once our request has finished running, we'll be able to see a price in the bottom right-hand corner of the chat that lets us know how much it cost. When we open the Markdown file to inspect the output, we'll see that it's pretty wordy. The format of this output was dictated by the workflow that we used, so if you wanted different sections or a more concise summary, you can edit the prompt before launching. You can also specify things like final output if you wanted a different format, such as Markdown, LaTeX, PDF, Word document, etc. I'll follow up and ask it for the summary in layman's terms. Now that we have an idea of what this paper is about, I want to imagine in this scenario that I'm an expert in the field or perhaps one of the paper's authors, and I want to brainstorm further avenues of research. Here, I'm asking the system to support hypothesis generation and come up for 10 prompts that could extend the work in the paper. Here, we'll choose one of the system-generated hypotheses to do a deep dive literature review. If you expand the web search panels in the chat, you can see exactly what the agent is searching for. If you want to change anything mid-session, you can enter your requests in the chat and it will steer the session. I'm also seeing a preview of what the agent might be searching for in the lab notebook in the center panel here that shows what types of papers and keywords it's searching for. We can click on the file link in the chat to open the output and review it. If we scroll to the bottom, we'll be able to find a summary of all of the papers that the system found, as well as live links for us to go and check those out ourselves.